Hello everyone, welcome to Maths IEC. Here's another proof style question for GCSEs. Prove that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. So let me elaborate this a little bit. So what this is asking is, if I just extend any side of a triangle like this, see this angle we get here, we call this the exterior angle. This is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. So these two angles, so let's call them X and Y. So you need to prove mathematically that E is equal to the sum of X and Y. Please pause the video and give this a try. When you're ready for the answer, press play. To answer this question, you need to draw a straight line through C that is parallel to AB, like this. So let's say this point is D. Now you can clearly see the angle here is Y, and this angle here must be Y. The reason is that this is a letter Z, so they are alternate angles. So alternate angles are equal. So you can write it like this. ABC angle is equal to angle BCD. They are both equal to Y. Alternate angles are equal. Now, if this angle here is X, obviously this angle here should also be X. The reason is those two are corresponding angles. So if you look from this side here, here's an eye, you can see they are in the shape of a letter F, like that. And this is X, so this must be X. So you can write the reason like this: corresponding angles are equal. Now you can clearly see that the exterior angle E is equal to the sum of X and Y. So we just proved that the exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of the opposite interior angles. There's another way to do the same question. So let me show you this as method 2. Now for this one, let's call this angle Z. Now I can clearly see that X add Y add Z is equal to 180 degrees. So we can write the reason because interior angles of a triangle add up to 180. So let's call this 1. Also, if you look at this point here, I can see that Z and E add up to 180. And here the reason is the angles on a straight line add up to 180. You can write the reason like this. Now, obviously, if you look at these two, they both have the same number on the right hand side. So 1 is equal to 2. So let's equate the left hand sides now. X add Y add Z should be equal to Z add E. And you can see the Z gets cancelled out from both sides. So I just proved that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles X and Y. This is the second method.